What's the approach to menopause if you don't treat it at all?
The new method also upset some students. Tom.
I'm lost. I feel like I don't know what to study, that I might be studying some things too much and missing important concepts that someone could just say, hey, this is really important. You should know this. You should examine this. But nobody tells me that. So I don't know. I don't have there are no signposts on this road that I'm taking whatsoever. So I don't know where I'm going, where I'm leading, where it's leading me. And I'm very unsettled. I find myself in a constant state of anxiety over this. 3. Got it.
Come on, this is easy, Tom. All day. All day, Tom.
One of the things that I like a lot about this medical school is that we basically have the freedom to study the way in which we want to. For example, I find that I learn better by reading textbooks on my own and by speaking with clinicians and by working in labs, and so in that sense learning the material a little bit more directly. Medicine is conceptually easy enough such that many times you really don't need an expert to teach it to you. You can go through the textbooks on your own and learn it. I think that the direction that I have to take in my studies here in the first 2 years is pretty clear. I mean, I know I'm taking all these basic science of microbiology and pharmacology and pathology, and I know, I have to learn these in order to become a good physician.
I thought that what we would be doing in tutorials was a directed self-study course, which suits me fine. I've done this in the past in undergraduate, and I've been fairly successful at it. I feel fairly comfortable with it. However, it's a self-directed self-study course, and I'm very uncomfortable with this. I understand intellectually what they're trying to tell me. They're trying to tell me that I need to discover what's important for myself. And by discovering what's important for myself, it will be made real to me, and I'll never forget it. And this will serve me in the long run, as my medical education will continue throughout my entire life. I understand that, and I accept that. However, what I feel intellectually and what I'm able to handle emotionally is quite separate.
Eventually, David Begg came to endorse the tutorial method.
I think the difference was that the students were so motivated